How to view profile insights on Facebook. Hi everybody. If you're wanting to view your profile insights on Facebook, you can follow the steps. So for that, you can open up your Facebook profile. You can tap on your Facebook account and open up your Facebook profile. And you need to have the professional dashboard turned on. You need to have a professional account to view your insights. So once you are here under your Facebook page, you should be finding an option that says professional dashboard. You can tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be seeing this. So all you need to do in order to view your insights is, in the top you should be finding home and different options. Go ahead and locate the first option, which is insights, right beside the home. And when you do, you should be finding all of your insights here right under the insight section. It will show the insights like post reach, your engagement, new followers, unfollows, and total interactions right here. And the content tab displays the performance of your public growth, your public post, and allowing you to filter by the range. So that is how you basically view the insights of your account on Facebook following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.